In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your WordPress password in cPanel. So here's my WordPress website for this video, and here is cPanel. Now your cPanel may look a little bit different, but the way you change the password will be the same. So go ahead and open up your cPanel, then scroll down and you're looking for software. So you want to scroll down until you can see software. Then you need to head over to the Softoclus apps installer. It may be slightly different depending on your cPanel, but this is what you need to head over to. Now from here, you will see the versions of WordPress that you've got installed. If you don't, go ahead and click on installations, or it may be something similar. Once you've done that, here are all of the versions of WordPress you've installed. You can go ahead and then edit details. And from here, if you scroll down, you've got your admin username and admin password. So go ahead and type in a username and then enter in a new password here. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and scroll down and click Save Installation Details, and we're going to update the password. Now we'll head over to WordPress. So here we are in our WordPress. We can now log in with these new details that we just entered. So there you go, just like that, it logs us into WordPress, and that's how you can change the password in cPanel.